So I recently watched V for Vendetta, which was directed by James McTeague, featuring Natalia Portman and Hugo Weaving as the main leads. Now, if we talk about the movie, I think it's a pretty underrated movie, superhero movie in my opinion. Like मैंने जब उस मूवी को देखा, it was released in 2006. I don't know if it was released in India or not, but I used a website to watch it, because I don't have that much amount of money. And honestly, it was quite good. I liked it. If we talk about the hero aspect, superhero aspect, you see it quite sometimes, but in comparison of other aspects like the political drama, many people say it's a pretty underrated superhero movie. I agree with that, but I think it's more comes in the category of a political drama rather than a superhero movie. It basic plot is V is a superhero on, or you can say a vigilant who is fighting against the corrupt government, and wants to spread a revolution. Like it's basically a versus between a dictatorship and an a dictatorship and an anarchy. And for those who don't know what dictatorship is, it's basically a form of government where a individual is rules and government or forms and government by his own terms and doesn't need any kind of public opinion to make any type of government. It basically a person throws a government by himself, without proper procedure to make himself the ruler. While in anarchy, there is no government. People are the ones who decides completely. There is no representative. People by themselves discuss, decides, and form solution on the basis of the problems given. And if we talk about both the aspects, both have its own pros and cons. And personally, it highlights it pretty good. Like in comparison of other political dramas which I've seen, it is quite good in comparison. And if we'll talk about the most interesting part of the movie, then I would say that that it is the mystery they kept with the V. They never showed his face. They never showed who was he before becoming the part of the experiment. They literally made him any kind of mysterious superhero without any certain identity, and you actually like a lot about his character even without knowing knowing anything about him personally. And personally, I think uh, Natalia Natalia Portman part could have been better. Like it was okay, but it was not that much impactful according to me in the movie. It was basically like any other love interest which I've seen in the movie. And overall, the antagonists were pretty good, but there was not that much struggle shown by by the lead. I think so. If the struggle was shown much more immersely in the movie with the government, like government was thrown so easily by him, I eh, you didn't even feel like this the government the dictatorship which was consisted in the government was even a threat. So I think those aspects could have been better, but overall it's a pretty good movie.